If we go back 20 years ago, professional and financial services purchasing was a black box. Senior executives could put their thumb on the scale for the partners or firms that they'd worked with historically. Procurement hadn't really gotten into soft spend purchasing like professional services. Fast forward to today, what we're hearing from clients is that the way they buy from firms is fundamentally different. Now every single piece of business feels like it's a competitive pursuit for a firm or for a partner. Even those clients who you've worked with for many, many years, who've spent millions and millions with your firm, or maybe with you personally as a partner, it feels like the next matter, the next engagement, the next executive search, the next transaction is now being opened to a competitive landscape of providers, and you're this close to losing the business. So procurement is getting involved. It's a much more formal purchasing process from the client side. The impact on firms has been dramatic. Firm leaders, managing partners, CBDOs, CMOs, COOs tell us that they're seeing this widening gulf, this spread widen between their top rainmakers and their average performers. In other words, their top partners are figuring it out. They're figuring out how do they continue to sell or develop business effectively in a world of changed client buying behavior where clients are just less loyal than they used to be. Meanwhile, average partners are falling farther and farther behind. And so this has always been a question for firms. Why is it that our best partners produce so much business for our firm and so much growth, and our average performers produce so little? But with the spread widening, this has become a very urgent question for firms. So partnering with Intapp, we've decided to pursue the answers to these questions. What is it that makes top rainmakers unique? And can we distill those findings into a set of prescriptions for firms and for leaders and for partners themselves and create a tide that will lift all boats?